Did you know that one of the most common causes of dry scalp are actually caused by our hair products and our daily routine, including our shampoo, conditioner, or other hair products we might be using on a daily basis? Some of these may contain alcohol, sulfates, preservatives, and or chemicals that don't necessarily belong in our hair. And when these are used very often, they cause damage to our scalp and hair. Today I will be informing you about what products are needed to make a hair mask, including essential oils, to help your scalp and hair stay healthy. I will also be talking about the benefits some of these hair masks might have, why you can and should add essential oils, and a few instructions if anybody would like to make their a hair mask on their own time. On average, the essential oils recommended come in a 15 milliliter bottle, and on average, these bottles actually have anywhere from 250 to almost 300 drops per bottle. So the money you spend on them is well lasted because the drops are so tremendous on these little bottles. So you get a lot for the money you pay for. And only a minimum of 3 essential oils are actually needed to start a hair mask. The ones I recommend are lavender, rosemary, and cedarwood. And these essential oils can be bought at your local health store and or on companies like Young Living and doTERRA. You just always want to make sure these essential oils are always 100% pure grade, all natural, and do not contain any chemicals, as of course they are going on our head and scalp. On our scalp and hair. The oils I mentioned are just a few of the many that can be used. The other options are like clary sage and or lemongrass. On average, these bottles range anywhere from $10 to $25, but like I did mention, you get a lot for the money you pay for. The oils I did mention all share a common benefit. They all are a hair growth oil, so it helps your hair grow faster. Lavender also possesses the ability to soothe your scalp and heal dry skin and hair. So it is always a good oil depending on everybody's needs. So every oil might contain something a little bit different. Rosemary is one of the top essential oils for thickening of the hair and also for hair growth. It helps treat dandruff, prevents baldness, and slows down the graying process. And cedarwood, it slows down hair loss, and it also is used for treating thinning of the hair. So it's also very good. And like I mentioned, a lot of oils pertain different benefits for people with different needs, so we really want to take advantage of that when adding that to our hair, because everybody's a little bit different. For myself, I like these 3, but someone else might not. In the article, The Best 7 Essential Oils for Hair, Dr. Axe mentioned some benefits of using essential oils in your hair mask. Essential oils help prevent hair growth, helps get rid of dandruff, and not only nourishes your hair, but prevents it from oily and getting dry. And these are some things that people do not like. Using oils for hair mask means you soak in all these benefits that they have to offer, so you aren't just getting one benefit, you're getting multiple. When using hair masks for essential oils, you always want to make sure that the oil is diluted with the carrier oil. A carrier oil is actually a liquid that helps you disperse the oil evenly around your hair. Some carrier oils might include coconut oil, and that is a good oil that has antibacterial, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties that is good for the hair. Another carrier oil is something like olive oil, and this oil is a really good source of vitamin E, and it has ability to hydrate and soothe your hair and skin. So it just really depends. Different carrier oils with essential oils can be used depending on one's individual needs. So once you start making hair masks, definitely look into your different options, because this is just one of the many. So I know we talked about a little bit of benefits of the essential oils with hair mask, and here are a few steps if you'd like to try one for yourself. You want to pick out the essential oils and do your research and know which one's best. I explained 3 of the very many that there is. So you'll need at least 3. You'll need a carrier oil, like I mentioned. I like coconut oil because it leaves my hair really shiny and smooth. I'll usually need about 2 to 4 tablespoons of this carrier oil. This really depends on the thickness of your hair and the length. I say 2 to 3. Some people might need 4 to 5. With your essential oils, you'll need at least 3 drops of each, so just keep that in mind. You'll need a wide tooth comb to comb in your mask after it is set, a spray bottle that is filled with water, and a towel. So you'll start off by warming your coconut oil because we want it to liquefy. You'll add at least 3 drops of your essential oil of each. Let it cool and slightly thicken. You don't want it too thick, but you don't want it too liquefied. Meanwhile, you can put a towel around your shoulders just in case anything drips. You don't want it to stain or get on your clothes. You'll want to dampen your hair with that water bottle. So just dampen your hair down, and once that's done, you can use your hands and apply that hair mask. We really want to massage that in, so we really want to get that comb in, disperse that oil mask and get it all in your hair and scalp. And once that's finished, you want to let it sit for anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, and then you can just rinse it out, wash, and then you can style your hair as normal. So you should get the benefits of having it. I like to do mine at least once a week. A lot of people do every other week, so it just really depends on your needs. Well, I really hope everybody liked the information I provided, and if you can determine if a hair mask is something that you might be interested in. The benefits of using essential oils in hair mask are plenty, so there are many benefits. Many people with different needs can take advantage of different oils that might work better for their needs. I hope the instructions given were not too complicated, but if anybody has questions, please feel free to email or reply to my post. I'd be happy to help. Thank you.